I'm going to take you through 3 different squats using the body bar. So I'm placing the body bar right between my toes, not out in front, right between. Now what's great about this position, it kind of balances out your butt weight. So it balances that tushy. So as you sit back, notice my knees are staying over my ankles. You could do it one-armed, you can do both armed, but the great thing about this is you can really sit back. As you come up, let those hips go. My second position, I'm going to take that bar and I'm going to place it in the hip flexors. So as you place it, it makes that butt a little bit heavier. Now my butt's 12 pounds heavier. Yes, it is. So you're going to sit it on back. And then my last position, I'm going to bring the arms out and I'm just going to sit for this isometric hold. Shoulders away from my ears. And you're just going to tap the toes. This is going to intensify the work. Now, here's what I'd like you to do. Squeeze your inner thighs, squeeze your quads, and yes, do Kegels. If you don't know what that means, don't do them. If you know what that means, now's the time to do them. Right now. Squeeze, 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 and up we go. Squats, 3 different positions.